Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On the screen right now, immediately after this clip, you will see a screenshot of my friend's YouTube channel. I want you guys to check her out. Her name is Your Girl Abs. Want to check her out because her content is fire, legit fire, and she's such a sweetheart to me. So I want you guys to check out her channel. I'll be leaving the link to her description in my bio. Only please check it out. Now right now, as you can see, this video is gonna be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how to not smell fishy, because y'all females need to step y'all game up. Like, the fishy thing not really at work. 2020 start, it's been rough and tough. Right now we need like an inspiration, so I'm about to mix it up. I'm finna mix it up. Y'all need to know how to wash y'all cookie so y'all cookie don't be fishy, okay, honey? Especially when y'all on your menstrual cycle. I'm finna be giving y'all legit facts off Google so y'all know how to step y'all cookie game up. We're gonna go straight into the video. Yeah, guys, so as I was saying, like, y'all have to bathe. Okay, so I went ahead and I had pinpointed some tips on how to keep clean during your menstrual cycle, because this is also important, guys. I want you guys to take note. On menstrual hygiene day, we share some tips that can help you deal with those difficult days of the month. The first one is change your sanitary napkin every 4 to 6 hours. Do not let your sanitary napkin stay in there too long, because if it stay in there too long, it's like a cake in an oven that is in there too long. It will bake, overbake, burn, and be of no use but to throw away, which means that it can get you sick. It can make you die. I'm kidding. It won't kill you, but it can probably lead up to your death. Yeah. The next thing is wash yourself properly. When you're bathing down there, make sure you get rid of all of them nastiness there. Make sure you get rid of all of them, like the blood. Like, you take your time, and oh my god, like, you gotta wash, ladies. Like, you really gotta wash. Don't use soap. This is a very good one. You know the people that will always say like cookie wash and vagina wash and all of that. When you're on your menstrual cycle, do not, and I repeat, do not use the products that are being sold, because they can impact on your menstrual cycle in ways that you and I are not yet to comprehend. So don't use those. Discard the sanitary napkin properly. Yeah, like, people walking and see you're not, not work. The people come in and see, no, not happening. No, not now. No, that's rude. That's nasty. That's just cruel. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. Okay. Yeah. So for sanitary napkins and stuff, like, you gotta get rid of those properly. You gotta throw those far away where nobody ain't gonna see them. Nobody ain't gonna touch them. Nobody, no, dash them away. People, dash them way far. Please dash them way far. Stick to one method of sanitization. For me, what I would say from this is, when you're choosing your sanitary napkins, don't use Stay Free today, tomorrow, Curves the other day. You know them. I will leave them in the boat. Always, yeah. You know them. I think when you change your napkin, your body has to adjust each time you change. Your body have to adjust to a new type of napkin. So for your body, it's frustrating. It's frustrating for your body. So I feel like you need to just use the one napkin that your body is okay with, like your body's comfortable with, and you just keep using that one. That's like one of the best reason I would have for that. So guys, remember, the tips are: change your sanitary napkin 4 to 6 hours. Wash yourself properly. Don't use soap. Discard the napkins properly and stick to one method of stay free tampons or whatever. All right, so the next question that persons always ask is what, guys? So proper hygiene habits can help combat the usual odors associated with menstruation. This can be simple as making sure you change tampons, liners, or pads every few hours. That is the first thing, and that is the most, like, that is very, very important. You have persons that are not comfortable with using pads, so they use tampons. Now, tampons are the ones that you insert inside. They are sometimes as long and as thick as this finger, while they're sometimes thick like this finger and longer. But the tampons, however, you do not leave them inside of you too long, because if you leave them inside of you too long, then they can give you a yeast infection. And even though yeast infections sometimes don't always have a bad odor, it does itches, it does scratches, and you will feel discomfort. I'm gonna get into that as we go along with this video, but we're just trying to pinpoint a few stuff and get them out of the way. So the first thing that I had to say to you guys was change your tampons. Change uno tampons. Ladies, don't put on a tampon, go road, their road, because you're not bleeding. Have that tampon up inside you for hours, on top of hours, thinking that, okay, I'm good. You not good, sis. Change them tampons, because if you leave it up in there for some time, you're gonna get sick. And that is when the real problem is gonna start, because a tampon inside of you, like everything that is supposed to be coming out is like being lodged on that, and it's up there. So, duh, you must get sick. Bruh. Why you feel like you're not gonna get sick? Don't play with me. Y'all play too much. The next thing is daily showers. Daily showers are also important. Wait, back up. Beard on the skin. Period. Like, ain't nobody need to tell y'all to bathe when y'all on y'all menstrual cycle. Y'all nasty. If y'all don't feel like being on y'all menstrual cycle, y'all need to go bathe. Y'all need to be taking baths like 2 to 3 to 4 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10 to 12 times a day. When y'all on y'all cycles, like me, honestly, I'll get up and in the morning, because the thing is about me, like, me will bathe in the morning and then me bathe in the night. I'm not going to tell you to say, me not going to tell you like for myself. Me no love water, me no want drown, me cannot swim. So, me is not the water person. Me no business who want vex. Me no love water. So, for the people that we are going to say, oh, re. Uno say re. If you no want to say re. I don't care zero. I don't love water, which means I will not be bathing 24/7 right around the clock, because first things first, me and water commission don't join partner. Me and water commission is not friends. So I cannot go up there and say, water commission, want to send some water over me yard next month, my pay on in a work. So when me use up all of my water and bathe 24/7 right around the clock, and then now water for bathe, me don't know how it go, me not do it. But anyways, ladies, honestly don't want to have to bathe often. Hygiene, on top of hygiene, good hygiene. We have to smell good. That's the first thing. Because especially if you live with a nigga, someone who live with a nigga, when they upon the menstruation, them know, and them not for ask, you know. I smell them, you know. When a pass and your nigga be like, babe, like, you bleeding or something. Yeah, they know, sis, because you smell. You be smelling like, sis, you fishy. Sis, you fishy, bro. You fishy. You need to go bathe that fishy part, like, bro. So yeah, that's one of the things too. Like, you gotta bathe a lot. You have to make sure that you keep down there properly. You understand? Yeah. Give me a minute, guys. I'm sorry about that. Give me a minute. Yeah. So, like, you have to keep down there so clean and smelly, and yeah, like the smelling thing, like, yeah, it not really gonna work. It really not gonna work. una have to keep them at them place there clean. Okay? Alright. Next next tip that I got for you guys is oh no, so I talk about bathing, I talk about changing y'all. Alright. So as this continues, I found something out that is very, very interesting. Are you ready for here? This is extremely interesting. The question was asked, right? Can I push my period out faster? Can I push my period out faster? Now this was or is the response. Having an orgasm either through intercourse or masturbation can reduce cramping and menstrual flow. Who knew this? Like females, which of us knew that? Like having an orgasm can lessen the pain that we feel or lessen the blood flow that comes from our private area or just make the period more comfortable for beer. Like, who knew this? This is so interesting, guys. I hope that you guys are here and I'm hoping I watch this and I'm hoping I stay tuned now because this is information and somebody did need to hear this. Who vex? Me vex. Me didn't want to hear this. Anyways, back to this. This is because orgasm generates urine muscle contractions. Wow! This is something that was on my mind, which means that because orgasms generate urine muscle contractions, that's the key word, contractions, having a baby, contractions. So if you're in labor and you get an orgasm, you will feel less pain. Yeah? You will feel less pain. Who knew that? I bet y'all didn't know that. I told y'all that. Go research it. If y'all are in labor, this is like real information. Like, I'm not tripping with y'all right now. If y'all are in labor, if y'all are about to have a baby, if y'all are experience contractions, all y'all gotta do is put y'all finger down there or get y'all vibrator or get y'all boyfriend, husband, whatever, put it down there, and you see how slippery and wet you get, and that baby just slips out. Just right on out. Just right on out. Yeah, but let me get back to this though, honestly though. But that's true. It's really true. It's really, really true. Y'all need to go research it. So, generates muscle contractions, which helps to move menstrual blood from the uterus. These contractions help the uterus shed the blood faster. What did I tell you? What did I just tell y'all? Honestly, like, this is, oh my God, this is so interesting. This is good. This is good. Like, this is very good. Trust me, this is very good. And these are interesting. Like, these are very interesting. Like, very, very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. So, I'm looking for the good stuff because I want to share the good stuff to you guys. But, I want to share the good stuff to you guys, okay? Okay. Okay. How do I get rid of fishy smell and fish? Okay, this is another interesting question. Period smells like death. Why does my menstrual cycle smells like death? A lot of female ask this question because a lot of female experience this, but they probably won't go to one of their friends and be like, hey, like, does your menstrual cycle smell like death? No, ain't nobody gonna ask nobody that. I would never ask somebody that. But I'm finna tell y'all why though. Let's go. The strong smell is likely due to the blood and tissue existing in the vagina along with bacteria. It's normal for the vagina to have bacteria. though the amount can fluctuate. Fluctuate means goes up and down, up and down. Fluctuate means up and down. The resulting rotting smell from bacteria mixed with menstrual flow shouldn't be strong enough for others to detect. So even though your menstrual cycle smells like death to you, it's not supposed to be smelling like death to other people. Like, you're the only person that is supposed to be experiencing it, like smelling like death. If it is too strong where it's like drowning you and other persons around you are smelling it, then you should see a doctor right away. You should see a doctor. Another interesting question is, can a man smell when woman is menstruating? Okay, some information in it may no longer be current. A man can smell when a woman is ovulating, and the proof is in his testosterone, says a new study from Florida State University that had undergraduates, men sniffing sweaty t-shirts, of course. Really? Are y'all like serious right now? Nah laugh. Nah laugh. Alright, so another question, sorry. How should you sleep on your period? How should you sleep on y'all period? Here goes. If you experience cramp on the lower back, try a warm water bottle or heat wrap for relief. Sleep in a fetal position. If you're normally a back or stomach sleeper, try rolling on your side and tucking in your arm and legs. That's my method. Even when I'm not like menstruating, whoa, I'm always on my belly with my arms underneath my body. That is how I sleep, or used to sleep. I stopped sleeping like that like a year now or something, but when I was younger, that's how I used to sleep. I used to sleep like that for everything. That is the most comfortable method of sleeping, with your hands underneath your body and you're lying down on your belly. That is the most effective type of sleeping, if you ask me. I'm gonna sleep like that tonight. Like, really, I think I'm gonna sleep back like that tonight. Honestly, like, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've slept like that. All right. So another question was asked. Why should a girl not wash her hair during her menstrual cycle? The pressure from the water may temporarily prevent the blood from flowing out of the vagina. There is no reason not to have a bath or shower during your period. So stop being paranoid. Stop making people telling y'all rubbish. Don't make nobody tell us that because when they're on a menstrual cycle, don't know if it be it. Y'all need to bathe. Bathing is essential. Y'all can wash y'all hair. Yes, the blood flow might slow down, but temporarily, not forever. So y'all need to get bathing, period. Like, stop using, I don't want beard because if my beard, the water go in on my head, and then when it go in on my head, I can't go, my period I go stop on. No, 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 no. You talking crazy. You talking crazy. You talking crazy. That's not true. Y'all need to bathe yourselves when y'all on your menstrual cycle, because that is the way that nobody I go come back to, and nobody I go feel right and be right and do the right thing and all of them something there. Yeah. So y'all need to like do the right thing. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I was giving you guys tips on how to like go through y'all menstrual cycle a little better, how to not smell fishy when y'all are on y'all menstrual cycle and stuff. So thanks for watching.